Hi, it's David. Welcome to the exercise of the week. I'm so excited to share this with you. Also, if you can, like, subscribe, and maybe share with a friend. Try the exercise and let me know in the comments how you did. This exercise is the 45-degree arm press. I want you to have the weights comfortably in front of you, about shoulder height, neck and shoulders down and relaxed. Always remember proper posture, proper breathing. The breathing is to always blow and lift, and the posture is to have the towel between your knees to stabilize your lower body so that way you don't compensate. Nice and relaxed. And now we're going to go up at a 45-degree angle, always remembering to blow and lift. So you're going to blow, hold, 1, 2, 3. Now control it. They're going to want to drop. Control it coming back all the way to here. And then blow and go up. Holding for 3. Nice and easy. And then coming back. And blow. Hold for 3. And come down. Now, you can do as many as you'd like. I recommend 6 to 12. And then when that becomes easy, you could either increase the weight or you can increase the reps, whatever you're most comfortable with. I wouldn't increase the weight until you've at least been able to comfortably do 12 reps, though. But this is the 45-degree arm press. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it. Also, check out these videos over here.